All right, I'm walking through this brand new. I have not tested this, and I thought I would bring you along with me as I do test it. So I have a spreadsheet, and in the spreadsheet, there's 10 entries. Banana Pudding Seminar number 1 through number 10. Here's the dates, the first of each, the first day of every month. End date, start time, end time, the location, and description text. I want that information out of this Google Sheet, and I want to put it into my primary Google Calendar, which is right here. Give me a second. Here's my Google Calendar. I want it in here. So I want each of these entries that are in here into my Google Calendar. Now, I've experimented with using Claude to do this. Now, I'm starting from scratch. I'm going to experiment with using Gemini to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to go up here to Gemini. I'm going to ask Gemini to create an app script to import this data into my primary Google Calendar. That's all I'm going to say. Just create me the script to do this. And let's see what I get. It's telling me how it's thinking through this process. I hope it's still working. Clarifying script delivery. It's still working. It's actually a little slower than Claude at doing this. I'm crafting the script. Now I'll just need to provide it. All right, there's the script. That's what I'm looking for. Here's a Google app script to import the events from Sheet 1. This is Sheet 1 into your primary Google Calendar. Script is designed to safely handle both standard spreadsheet, date, time formats, and text string. Google Apps script. So there's a script. Now I want to copy that. How to use a script. Open the Google Sheets, go to Extension App Script, delete any placeholder, and paste the script above. How do I copy this script above? Do I just highlight it? Or do I hit the copy? I'm going to hit copy. So it says, go to the spreadsheet, Extensions App Script. It says delete the placeholder, that's that stuff, and paste. Oh, I did not want all that. It gave me, I copied too much. Let's undo that. I need to go back here to Gemini. Where was I? Back to the spreadsheet. I don't want to copy all of this. I only want to copy the script. It would be nice if it would let me copy just the script. Got that. I'm going to hit Control C or Command C. Now let's go back to here and paste this. Oop. I hit fat finger. Control C, Control Command V. All right. Now what else does it tell me to do? Click Save. Make sure Import Events Form Sheet is selected in the function drop-down and click Run. Click Save. Make sure that's selected. Is that selected? Come on. Import Events and hit Run. Let's see what it does. This app might not work as expected without providing all the requested permissions. Give it permissions. I'll select all. I'm going to allow the project to access my Google account. edit, create, and delete all Google spreadsheets, edit, share, permanently delete all the calendars you have access to. I've got to give it access to that. Continue. Executing. It should create 10 entries. Again, this is a little bit slower, actually a lot slower than the Claude test I did, which I saved that YouTube video as well. You may want to go look at, because Claude gave me a really clean code, gave me good information about how to handle it. This script is taking way longer than the Claude script, but I hope it's working. I want to go look at my calendar and see what it's doing in my calendar, but I'm going to be patient. I don't want to leave this script because I don't know if it would run in the background or not. Now I want to go look at my calendar. Let's go take a look at my calendar. Well, there's an entry. So if I go do a search for banana, there's all the entries. It's entered them all in, but the script has not stopped. I don't know why. I don't know where the timeout is. What's going to tell this to stop? See, it says skip if it's empty. So it's probably going all the way down through the, well, here it says 10 entered. But over here, oh, it says completed. Don't know what happened. Anyway, it's done. I got a message that says 10 entered. I can close this down now. I go to my calendar. Again, I hit refresh. And there's those 10 entries, 1 through 10, from this spreadsheet. I tested this using Claude, and it worked pretty quickly. I went to Gemini, and I asked Gemini to help me do this as well. Gemini gave me a very similar code. I followed the same steps, and it as well, using Gemini, pulled all this data from my Google Sheet, put it into my Google Calendar. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I'm evaluating using Gemini and Claude and ChatGPT to help me be more efficient and to do things better. And it looks like Gemini does a really good job of integrating Google Sheets to Google Calendars. Have a good day.